Hello there, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Umisoft. Today, I'm going to show you how to scrape the important information, like email, phone number and other social links, from multiple websites at a time. So, let's get started. I have developed many automated softwares and this is one of them. It is a portable software that you can use anywhere, anytime. All you have to do is to open this 𝗙𝗂𝗃 file. And here we go, you just need to put domains list from where you want to extract the emails and other necessary information. Let's suppose I put these domains for demo. Just copy these domains and simply paste them here. Now, just click Start button. Now, it will automatically start the scraping process, you don't need to do anything. Here you can see, it is scraping the email, phone number, address and Google Maps address, Facebook URL and other information that is available on the website. Here you can export the scraped data in an Excel file. And if you want to open it right now, then click Yes and it will open the output file automatically. Now, you can see, it has scraped all the necessary information that is available on the website. Now, if you want to pause this bot, then just click Pause button, and it will pause the scraping process. And click Resume to start scraping. At the end, you can quit this bot by clicking Quit button. So, thanks for visiting us. We have many automated bots like Amazon, whitepages.com, Google Maps, and much more. So, if you're interested in our skills, then just contact us at umisofts@gmail.com. Thank you.